Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply delete your browsing data on Google Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome, just like what you see on the screen on my phone right here. What I'm going to do is to simply click and hold down and make sure this is pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on app info. That's going to take you right here. Now what you need to do right here is to go to storage and cache. Then it's going to take you right here. So next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on clear storage. So it's going to take you right here, and the next thing you need to do under all data stored by site, including cookies and other locally stored data, simply click on manage right here. So it's going to take you to all data stored on your Chrome browser. All the websites you have been visited so far is going to be found right here. Now to delete your data history, what you need to do is to simply click on a particular website. It takes you right here. Now this particular website right here store my data of so this particular site right here, my data store on this site is just 37 MB. What I'm going to do next is to simply click on delete data and reset permission. Deleting and reset, this action will delete all local data including cookies and reset all permission for this particular website. You may be signed out of this site, any offline data will be deleted. So what you need to do is to simply click on delete and reset. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete all your data on Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.